That's heated to 85 degrees. That's the only heating source in this greenhouse. Because of the outside temperature is cooler than the inside temperature, you get a lot of condensation. So we had to put in this tube and pump cool air into the greenhouse. Now this never freezes. It'll get 50 below zero and this plants won't freeze in here because of the heat coming off of that 10,000 gallons of water. What we did is we took our bobcat, dug 2 trenches, and built this system, and then we built the hoop house over top. $5,000 cost. $100,000 to do the same thing if this was a conventional fish system. So this is what these were used greenhouse parts. We took down a 5-acre greenhouse operation, and we have a lot of this material. We also have the ability to bend pipe, which you guys will do if you take the hoop house construction class today. You'll be bending pipe and constructing a hoop house. But this is, we put, whenever we build hoop houses, we run a purlin of 2x4, 4 feet off the ground. So we're only bringing plastic from 4 feet off the ground to 4 feet off the ground, and that way you don't have to use inflation kit or anything, and you won't lose your plastic. We've never lost a greenhouse, and I hear people always, we don't bring plastic from ground to ground. You can pop these sides off in about 15 minutes. In the summertime, probably around June, we'll take all the compost. You'll see compost around, about 200 yards of compost is around all these hoop houses. We'll take that away and build beds out of that compost. All of this compost is inoculated with worms. So once we get in the spring and it really warms up, that stuff will break down, the worms will break that stuff down really quickly. So that's another way of using the space that you have, getting dual purposes out of the compost. You know, so think of ways that you can get multiple uses out of what you do. So that's what this is all about. Again, we're using the watercress as filtration, and we'll harvest this week. It'll grow back and look the same by next week. It grows very fast. Any